Why is listening skill so important? Let me tell you, listening is different from hearing. Hearing is different, listening is different. Many people can hear, but few listen. Okay. Hearing is you're just hearing whatever is being said, you're just hearing. But listening is you're actually hearing with concentration and you're processing the information that you're hearing and you're deriving a conclusion out of it. Like right now, I am speaking. So many of you would be hearing me. Many of you would be listening to me. Okay, I hope many of you are listening to me, and some of you are just hearing. Okay, means you're just hearing it, and after some time, you're going to forget what I just said. But if you're listening to me very carefully, then you will remember the informations that I shared, the points that I discussed. So, listening means when you pay attention, that becomes your listening skill. When you don't pay attention, it just remains as plain and simple hearing. But when you concentrate, when you pay attention, that becomes your listening skills, and that becomes your listening. And listening skill is, mind you, very, very important for communication. In order to be a good speaker, you need to be a good listener. What are the negative points? If you're not a good listener, then what are the problems that you may face? The first and the foremost problem is you won't be able to gather knowledge. If you want to gather knowledge, if you want to get knowledge, then you need to listen to people. Okay, you need to listen more, speak less. If you want to get knowledge, if you want to gain knowledge from different people, suppose I want to gain knowledge, I'm talking to someone, I want to gain from his or her experience. I want to learn from his or her experiences of life. So I need to listen more and speak less. If I keep speaking, if I keep talking and I don't let that other person talk, or when that other person is speaking, I don't listen very carefully. I am just hearing it. I am not processing, or I'm not concentrating, then obviously it is not going to help. Okay. I won't be able to retain anything, what he or she said. So if you're not a good listener, you won't be able to gain knowledge. Okay. That's the first problem. Second is, if you're not a good listener, you will never be able to give proper judgment. Your evaluation will be wrong. Your analysis will be wrong. Your judgment will be wrong. Third is, you might appear to be an arrogant guy. If you're not a good listener, then people might consider you as arrogant. If you don't listen to anybody while speaking, you are getting distracted. Someone is talking to you and you're just working, you're just chatting with someone, okay, on your phone, or you're not concentrating, or you're not paying attention to that person, then people may perceive you as an arrogant guy. Okay. And you cannot be a good leader. If you're not a good listener, then you cannot be a good leader, because a good leader is always a good listener. A leader who is not a good listener cannot be a good leader. Okay, you see any leader, okay, from history, from any field, from politics, from cricket, Arnab Goswami. Yes. What do you think? Arnab Goswami has good listening skills. How much would you rate? How much would you rate Arnab Goswami's listening skills? It is not. We are not doing any politics. I'm not any party supporter. I'm just we're just doing it casually. So how much do you think would Arnab Goswami get in terms of listening skills? Okay, 0, 0, 0. 50% Gitanjali. 50% is too much. I think he should get 0. Although I don't have anything against him. Don't think that I'm an anti-BJP, or I'm not pro-BJP. I'm not anti-BJP. I'm not pro-Congress. I don't support any political party. It's just for fun. Okay. People might think that if you support Arnab Goswami, then you're pro-BJP, and if you're against him, then you are an anti-BJP. So Arnab Goswami, all of you must have seen. So he will get 0 in terms of listening skills. You should not be like him. He is a perfect example of what you should not do. Okay, while communicating, he only speaks. He does not let anyone else speak. Okay, you are pro-BJP, still 0. Okay, you're then being honest, Shubham. Yes, if you're being honest, then he will get 0. Otherwise, he's a very good journalist. Sorry, he's a very good editor, news editor. He's a very powerful man. Okay, I like his daringness, but somehow when it comes to his listening skills, he will get 0. Okay. So so these are the problems that you're going to face. So you won't be able to be a good leader if you're not a good listener. Every good leader has been a good listener. If your leader is not a good listener, then he will be called an autocratic leader. You will be like Hitler, okay, or any autocratic leader, because autocratic leaders, they don't listen to anybody. And if you study history, autocratic leaders are not so loved leaders. They have been on power on the basis of fear. Okay.